Hey guys, it's Kevin, East Cape. Here's another bay. This one's going to Anglers Marine, our dealer up in North Carolina. They've been building a lot of boats. They were one of the first to come on board, do slots. They actually have some more build slots coming up. And we also have Barber Marine in Alabama. And then we have our boys down south at York Road Marine. But anyways, here's another one that's gonna get the full upper station hard top. It's gonna do a pipe lean post seat. It's got some cool little features I did that you guys will see on the next video. On the outside of the boat, we did a swim platform, and then there's the ladder. So again, this is above the water line, so it's not gonna make any noise at all when it's splashing. We don't like that solid fiberglass style because they just make a lot of noise when you're in the fish mode. But anyways, that's a fold up telescopic ladder that we did. You lift it up and click it, nice and clean. But again, East Cape Bay 2410, another sick sled that's going to be done in the making, headed up to Anglers Marine. Y'all check this thing out. Follow them on Instagram. But just another sick boat. Dry, efficient, well made, good customer support. Y'all stand by for video 2.